4-bedroom unit, 182 square meter. Here at Four Seasons Riviera, located in Binondo, Manila, by federal land.
Delpan pala yun. Yeah. So parang 4-bedroom mo?
Penthouse ba?
Hindi. May tagusan pala dito.
Ito master's bed.
Oo, masters.
Ayun ang South Harbor.
Oo. Ito yung bathtub.
Mataas ang floor to ceiling, ha? May walk-in closet, ha?
Meron.
Master's bed na.
May smaller size pa. Masyadong
Meron mamaya. Check natin. Ito for ano lang, para for reference mo lang at least, di ba?
same floor lang.